Meet the Uninell UR3 Robot Vacuum, the smart, powerful cleaning partner that takes home maintenance off your to-do list. If you're in the market for a robot vacuum, this one is a really good option. This little guy has great suction power and also a no-tingle brush, which makes it really easy to clean. And when it hits carpet, it instantly increases suction by 200% for a really thorough clean. Thanks to LiDAR laser navigation and smart obstacle avoidance, the UR3 glides with precision, no bumping and no getting stuck. It easily climbs thresholds, avoids your favorite rug, and built-in cliff sensors keeps it safe from stairs. No babysitting required. Another thing I really like about this vacuum is that it sweeps, vacuums, and mops in a single run. You can customize suction and water flow room by room in the app. The app is really intuitive and easy to use. I like how it maps out my whole house, and with just the click of a button, I can tell my robot vacuum to start or which room I want it to clean. My favorite thing about this Uninell Robot Vacuum is that it has a self-emptying station. You can go up to 70 days without touching the dustbin. That's true hands-off cleaning. Then, after 70 days, simply lift the lid on the top of the station, remove the bag, and empty it out. To start the vacuum up again, all you have to do is click a button on the top or use your app. Prefer voice control? It works with Alexa and Google Assistant and also includes a remote control perfect for seniors. And when the battery runs low, it automatically returns to recharge, then resumes right where it left off. No interruptions, no missed spots. At only 3.8 inches thin, it slips under beds, sofas, and low furniture with ease. It's also impressively quiet, no louder than a refrigerator. Plus, it remembers multiple floor maps, perfect for multi-story homes and apartments. The UR3 delivers up to 180 minutes of continuous cleaning, about 2,000 square feet per charge. All in all, the Uninell UR3 Robot Vacuum is a great option for hands-free cleaning. It's easy to set up, plus its low-profile design and quiet motor make you forget it's even there, until you notice how clean your floors are. Smarter cleaning, strong suction, less work for you. The Uninell UR3 Robot Vacuum makes your home effortlessly clean. Links are in the description if you want to check it out. Like and subscribe for more robot vacuum reviews.